Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, silver is still struggling to make one higher high, and I don't have a lot of confidence in pushing higher. But we talk about that in a minute. Just quickly zoom out for anybody who's new here. My view is that silver is obviously in a correction like gold, but in contrast to gold, which is in a wave 4 correction, silver is in a wave 2, which retraces more than a wave 4, and the price is reflecting that very well. We already reached my target area, which means that the minimum requirements to complete this correction are complete. And at any moment in time, silver could reverse to the upside. But I'm not very confident, at least not yet. Okay, so the correction itself, in my opinion, is working out here in a WXY pattern, and in the wave Y we have quite a complex correction in itself as a WXYXZ in itself. Okay, so this is the overall corrective pattern here, and within this it could very well be, and this is the breakout scenario, that here with the Z wave we have already completed the correction because we hit the target area, yeah, but the target area can go down or goes down much more. So this really just touched it. It could very well be, if we fail to make one more high, that we're going to break down and come deeper into this area, all the way down to $13.60 if it needs to be. Now, currently, we can see here, if I go to the 4-hour chart, that silver moved up in a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Now, so at the moment we really only have 3 waves, which could very well be an ABC, and we're already on our way down. Now, the move down is currently not very impulsive, which indicates that either the move down is currently happening here in some kind of a leading diagonal of the next impulse down, yeah, or that we are going to push higher, but we don't know that yet. We don't see a move up. What I don't really like with this count is that the wave 3 in itself looks a bit unfinished. I would have loved to see one more high just in the wave 3 in itself. Didn't really get it, but we can count it as an impulse. Then we saw the wave 4. The wave 4 retraced basically to the maximum it should do, the 50% level, shows you already the weakness in the chart, and now we're just failing at the moment to push higher. So as I said to you in the previous video, the price really needs, or silver really needs, to push once more to the upside to have more confidence in this breakout, because at the moment it's really just a 3-wave pattern, and without a problem we could then break down in 5 waves if we fail to make a higher high. So to put it simply, as soon as we break below 1876, I think this potential breakout is over and we are going to come down, because this is already the maximum the wave 4 should do anyway. So any drop below that, especially if we drop to 1859, which would be the wave 1 high here, then it's invalidated anyway. So as soon as we have an overlap between wave 1 and 4, that's it. But yeah, so I'm not very confident we are going to see this. If we see the 5 waves, that's fine. You know, then I'm more confident in a potential breakout. But what we need to see then is a corrective wave pattern, ABC, in a wave 2. And again, as I always say, the ABCs, or the wave 2 correction, basically, ABC in a wave 2. The wave 2 is normally a good price to enter. Generally, yeah, there's no financial advice, it's just generally based on the Elliott wave method, because if you have a 1-2 setup, it provides you with the best reward to risk ratio. The wave 3 is normally quite long, and when you can enter quite close to support in wave 2, then you have a very low risk. That's just generally how it's handled from an Elliott wave point of view. But again, to see that, to get more confidence in this, we need one more wave up before we come down in a 3-wave move ABC. And in any move down, we need to hold above the 78.6% fib level. Now, of course, I don't know yet how high the 5th wave of the wave 1 will go. If we get it, Therefore, I can't measure these retracements yet. But should we see it, I'll make you aware. Very important, I think, is that silver breaks above this descending trend line as well. Now, it could do that maybe in one more leg up, but again, we haven't seen it yet, and that is what the price needs to do to confirm that breakout. Otherwise, we're probably going to see lower lows. So I think the next few days will be very interesting, especially with the Fed interest rate decision and the financial forecast. Okay, and that's my update about silver. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.